Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to animate handwriting in Blender. So let's get started. Of course, you will start with the cube, but we're gonna delete it. And I'm just gonna click Shift A and add some bezier. We're gonna click Tab to enter edit mode. And we're gonna select this draw tool. And I'm going to type something. Of course, this doesn't look very good. However, this is only for explanation purposes. You're free to edit your text and improve on these details. Maybe something like this. Okay. Now, once you're done, you're gonna click Tab and you're gonna go over here and you're gonna click Geometry, and where it says Depth, you're gonna just expand it. Like you can go, for example, for this, I think this is perfect. Okay, now you can click edit mode again, and we're just going to delete this vertices. We don't need them, so we end up with this text. Click Tab again to enter object mode. Now once you're done, you're gonna go where it says start and end mapping, and where you use this panel, you're gonna notice these text animating. But we're gonna expand this, and I'm gonna go all the way to 1, and I'm going to put a keyframe here, and we can move, let's say, over here, and I'm going to move this all the way to 0 and put the keyframe again. And once you're done, you will end up with animated text, handwritten text. Now, of course, you can expand this, so the animation is going to be slower, but yeah, you can play with it however you want. But basically, this is how to animate handwritten text in Blender. So hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.